Those things you were weeping and crying, you will never remember them no more. The Bible says, and Hannah wept and cried
No, welcome to today's class. Today's topic is adjectival phrase. Our learning objectives as follows. The students are going to define adjectival phrases, and secondly, you will identify adjectival phrases in sentences. Now, what is the meaning of adjectival phrase? An adjectival phrase is a group of words which describe a noun phrase, or a pronoun in a sentence. Such group of words can be used to describe the subject or object of the sentence. Now let's look at the components of adjectival phrase. For you to be able to recognize adjectival phrase when you see one in a sentence, the first thing you need to note is that an adjectival phrase could be a string of adjectives used to describe a noun phrase, or a pronoun in a sentence. For example, her hair is long, soft, silky, and shiny. Now look at the strings of adjectives used here. Long, soft, silky, and shiny. These are strings of adjectives. Example 2. I have a handsome, gentle, and caring father. The strings of adjectives in this sentence include handsome, gentle, caring. Secondly, an adjectival phrase could be a form of a preposition combined with a noun used to describe another noun or a pronoun in a sentence. For example, the cookies on the table are not fresh. The adjectival phrase in this expression is on the table, which comprises a preposition combined with a noun phrase. On the table is describing the cookies by helping us to know which cookie is in question. Example 2. Those refugees in IDP camp need support. Now look at the adjectival phrase in this sentence is in IDP camp. It is made up of a preposition in combined with a noun phrase IDP camp, helping us to know which refugee needs support. Thirdly, an adjectival phrase could be a combination of an adverb of degree and adjective. For example, Donna is exceptionally brilliant. The adjectival phrase in this sentence is exceptionally brilliant, and it's made up of an adverb of degree, exceptionally, and the word brilliant, which is an adjective. Example 2. Your attitude to learning is quite annoying. The adjectival phrase in this sentence is quite annoying, and it is made up of adverb of degree quite combined with annoying. Now, we want to look at the difference between adverbial phrase and adjectival phrase, because from observation, you would notice that sometimes expressions that pass as adjectival phrase could also be used as adverbial phrase in a sentence, depending on the context of usage. Now, the cookies on the table are not fresh. Example 2, the cookies are on the table. In example 1, on the table answers the question of which cookies, thus describing the cookies, thereby functioning as adjectival phrase. However, in example 2, on the table answers to where the cookies are, thus describing its location, thereby functions as adverbial phrase. Now, in conclusion, both adjectival phrases and adverbial phrases could have the same components, but they differ in their functions. An adjectival phrase typically modifies a noun or pronoun, and it usually follows the noun or pronoun it modifies directly. On the other hand, an adverbial phrase typically modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, and it could be found almost anywhere within the sentence.